First, ensure vibration is enabled. Go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, and tap Vibration. Make sure the toggle is on. Next, in the same menu, check Play Haptics in silent mode. If you expect vibrations while in silent mode, toggle this on. Now, review your focus modes. Go to Settings, then Focus. Modes like Do Not Disturb can silence vibrations even if they're enabled elsewhere. Disable or customize them to allow vibrations for important contacts or apps. Next, try restarting your device. Hold the power button, slide to power off, then turn it back on. This can resolve temporary software glitches. Finally, check for iOS updates. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update. Install iOS 18.2 or later as it addresses haptic bugs. Software glitches and focus mode misconfigurations cause about 70% of vibration problems. If needed, reset haptics by going back to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics. If software solutions fail, consider a potential hardware issue, especially if you have an early production model with serial numbers starting with F in 2025. Apple has acknowledged isolated cases of Taptic Engine X defects, offering free in-store replacements under warranty. Use Apple's diagnostic tool, available at Genius Bars or via AppleCare Plus, to diagnose hardware faults. Third-party apps can sometimes interfere with haptics. Try uninstalling recently added apps to see if the vibration returns. If the problem arose after a drop, a loose Taptic Engine connection is possible, requiring professional repair. Apple is pushing for modular repairs on the iPhone 17, but always consult an authorized service provider to avoid voiding your warranty. Accessibility settings can also allow vibrations for things like navigation. If these steps fail, contacting Apple support is needed.